Good evening, everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty daily analysis. Before starting the discussion, if you are new here and you didn't subscribe to my channel till now, kindly do subscribe to my channel and kindly try to watch the video till the end. And I expect that you will definitely like this video and it will definitely help you in your analysis also. So let's start the discussion, and firstly we will discuss about our past analysis performance. So in today's session, the market has made a high of 17,924 and it made a low of 17,800. So if we see, even though the market has sustained above this level, that is 7,866 level, but the market couldn't go up to this our daily target, that is 7,937 level. It made a high of 7,924 and our daily target missed by just 13 points. So we missed it narrowly, but even though we should, even though the market went up to the 17,924 level, we should consider this one as our missed target. So even on the downside, market took support at this third target point, but it couldn't come down up to the 17,755 levels, and hardly it missed by 45 points on the lower levels. So in overall, in today's session, overall the market didn't meet our upside and downside daily targets also. So coming to the technical analysis in Bank Nifty 50, so let's change this into hourly time frame. So in previous video, we are discussing about the head and shoulder pattern, and the market can take support at this level, and from this market we are expecting a small retracement up to this level, and from there market can go down. So as per our discussion and as per our expectations, initially the market opened directly at gap up opening, and from there market came down and it tried to close the gap, and from there we can see a huge buying pressure from the lower levels, and again at the end of the session, that is in 1 hour time frame, the market has formed a doji candle in the first 1 hour candle, that is initial balance candle, and following that also we can see that a doji candle has been formed, and after that market took resistance at this trend line, and again from there the market is coming down directly. And this if we see, I have drawn this dotted trend line. So these dotted trend lines are for today's sessions, and these levels will be acting as a support and resistance point, that is 17,866 and 17,823 level. So market came down, and again directly it entered into our zone, that is central zone levels. If the market sustained above these levels, that is 17,866, and if the market has taken support at this level, that is 17,884 or somewhere else, then we can expect a market to go up and hit our upside daily target and final extreme target. But the market couldn't sustain above these levels, and market eventually closed below our resistance point, and this resistance point is now acting as a support point. So market closed below the support point, and after that market completely went into sideways movement. So we can see the last 4 candles, these are completely in a sideways movement, that is between our resistance zone, resistance point and support point. So coming to the tomorrow's analysis, if we see, the market has formed a doji candle exactly at this support point, and even now the market has formed a hammer pattern and followed by a small like this spinning candle, and again it formed a bullish ceramic candlestick pattern. So based on this, we can expect a small upside movement, and if the market closes above the 17,866, that is yesterday's resistance point, then we can expect a good rally. But for tomorrow's session, the 17,848 and the 17,808 levels will be acting as a central zone, and if the market closes above these levels or below this level, then we can expect a good rally or good fall in the Nifty 50. But as per our chart, that is head and shoulder pattern, I'm expecting a good fall in the Nifty 50 for for upcoming 2-3 days or 4-5 days. So because we need to hit our market has to hit the target, that is 250 points from this neckline. So I'm also waiting for the market to hit that target, because I have taken short positions in the Nifty 50 at 2:15 or 3 o'clock, around 3 o'clock some time, when the market came down here. So I was waiting for that thing only, so I have taken the positional trading. So I didn't do any intraday trading for today's session, because the market completely went in through sideways. Because as a option buyer, we need to look for momentum in the market. If there is no momentum in the market, and if we take a position, then we can expect a stop loss hit in markets like today. So I have already discussed about the upside targets, that is 17,866, and even if the market goes up, this trend line will be acting as a resistance point, and this level will be acting as an area of confluence. So there is no proper space for the upside movement, and I'm expecting a market movement for the downside only. So our first target will be like 17,743, and after that we can expect a further fall up to the 17,650 levels on the downside. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. Coming to the individual levels, in today's session the market has closed at 17,826 levels, and if the market is trying to move up, the 17,848 levels will be acting as a resistance point, and if the market is trying to move downside, the 17,805 levels will be acting as a support point, and we have discussed about these two levels just now in the technical analysis. So if the market has to move up to the 17,919 level, which is our daily target, the market has to close above this 17,848 level, and the market has to sustain above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then only we can expect a rally up to the 17,919. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 18,012. And if the market closes below this level, and if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to the 17,737, and this will be our downside daily target on the downside, and this will be our downside extreme target. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50, and individual level analysis, and this as well as our past analysis performance. So let's discuss about the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty's past analysis performance first. In today's session, the market has made a high of 40,946, and it made a low of 40,508. So if we see this 40,946 and 40,508 level, this upside today's high 40,946 level, we just missed our upside daily target by hardly 20 points. So if the market has moved just 20 points in Bank Nifty, then we could have hit our daily target, but the market couldn't reach up to our daily target, and again it fell down, and it made a low of 40,508 levels. So if we see this 40,508 level, it missed our downside daily target by hardly 550 points. So even on the upside and even on the downside, both the targets were missed by 40 points only. So it's purely a bad luck. And even in today's session, I booked a loss because of my stop loss got hit, even though I was in profits initially. That I took I took entry point after market sustaining above this level, and market rallied up to 200 points, but the market couldn't reach up to the target. I thought market will retrace and again it will go up, but eventually market came down, and it came further down below this 40,764 level, and it hit my downside my stop loss. Actually I thought when the market went up to this 40,946 level, I couldn't trail my stop loss. I forgot to trail my stop loss as I went outside, and I was not observing the market. So at that time, eventually market came down, and it ate my it ate my risk, that is stop loss. So this is about Bank Nifty's past analysis. So let's see about the technical analysis of Bank Nifty. So these dotted lines are the support and resistance line for today's session, and these thickened lines are for tomorrow's session, and these are like support and resistance point. So for tomorrow's session, 40,736 levels will be acting as a resistance point, and 40,614 levels will be acting as a support point. So if we see, the market has moved completely between support and resistance point in today's session, that is between 40,764 and 40,642 levels. Completely 4 hours the market has traded in between these two ranges only, and when the market has sustained above this resistance point after closing this first 1 hour candle, I thought market will go up, and I immediately took entry point in the opening time of this second 1 hour candle, that is 10:15 candle, and I was waiting for the market to reach up to this our daily target, but as it missed, and I was out of the market for some time, so it eventually hit my stop loss at this level, that is 40,674 or 670 level, somewhere here. So that's how I booked the loss today. So coming to the tomorrow session, and if we see the technical levels for tomorrow session, continuously the Bank Nifty is forming a bullish candlestick pattern here. If we see here, this is a bullish harami candlestick pattern, and if we see here, it is a bearish candlestick pattern, but before that it is again a bullish candlestick pattern, and even the market has closed above this trend line, and if we see, this is a bullish harami and even this is a bullish harami. So continuously at the support level, the market is forming bullish candlestick pattern. So initially in tomorrow's session we can expect a good movement in bank nifty, and if the market closes above this 40,736 level, then we can expect a further rally after this 40,934 levels. But if the market couldn't sustain above this 40,736 levels, and if the market is coming down from this 40,736 level, then this on the lower levels, the 40,614 levels will be acting as a good support point. And even if we see previously, all these four or five candles took support at 40,614 levels only. So this level will be acting as a good support point. So most probably the market can move sideways initially for first 1 or 2 hours, then afterwards then we can expect a good breakout in the bank nifty. And even if we see the narrow range, the hardly like there are 4 candles, this fourth candle is a very small or narrow range candle, then we can expect a good breakout in the fifth candle, that is NR5. So we can expect a good breakout in the NR5, or if it misses, and even if this fifth candle forms a similar range candle to this bullish this small bodied candle, then we can expect a breakout in the seventh candle. So we can expect a breakout in the like 11-15 candle. So we need to wait for initial candle breakout, or if that misses, we need to wait for breakout in the 11-15 candle. So most probably I'm expecting a breakout in the first 1 hour candle, that is like initial balance candle, to close below this support point. Then only we can expect a good fall in the bank nifty. So if the market closes below this 40,614 levels, then we can expect a fall up to this 40,100 levels on the downside. And if the market closes on the upside, then we can expect a rally up to this 41,000 or 41,066 or 41,000. So these are the both upside and downside levels for the bank nifty for tomorrow session. And coming to the trade setup, so I already explained that I have booked my loss in today's session. So when the market closed above this level, that is resistance point, so I thought of taking entry, and I started taking entry. And because the market has sustained above this resistance point for 1 hour, so I thought of taking entry point, taking long positions. And because market came down, market closed below this support point, and from again the market eventually came up. And even if you see on the downside, it is the inverted head and shoulder pattern, and market went up, it corrected, and again market closed above this resistance line. So I was expecting that market to go initially up to this level, and if the market closes above this level, I was expecting that market to hit our daily target. So I took entry when the market when the market is trying to move up. I took partial entry, and again slowly I started accumulating. And when the market was moving after this 940 or 940 above 940 levels, I thought market can eventually go and hit our daily target, and I didn't concentrate more on the bank nifty, and I went outside for some personal reasons. By the time I came back, the market it missed our daily target, and again it came down, and again it hit our, if we see this level, this level 40,674 level here, higher 670 or 674 level. So it came down again, it eventually hit our stop loss, and I booked stop loss today. And I forgot to trail the stop loss also in today's session, because I thought it will definitely hit our daily target. So I was very much confident, but it just missed our target. So sometimes it happens, so we shouldn't bother about that, because profit and loss are part and this is like part of the like trading. So we shouldn't feel sad, or we shouldn't feel happy whenever we gain or whenever we lose. So coming to the individual levels in bank nifty, so in today's session the market has closed at 40,673, and if the market is trying to move up, this 40,736 levels will be acting as an important resistance point. And if the market is trying to move down, this 40,614 levels will be acting as an important support point. And these two levels will be acting as a central zone, or a central pivot point. And if the market closes above this 40,736 level, and if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to this 40,939, and this will be our daily target on the upside. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 41,206. If the market closes below this 40,614, and if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to this 40,423, and this will be our daily target on the downside. And if the market closes below this level, and our extreme target will be like 40,172. So friends, so guys, this is about Nifty and Bank Nifty's daily analysis, and I hope you have liked this video. And if you have any doubts, you can definitely ask me on other social media platforms apart from this YouTube, so where I can definitely reply to your questions very quickly. So you can ask me anywhere, and I will try to resolve those queries as soon as possible or whenever I get time. So don't forget to like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's meet in another video. Until then, bye bye, Jai Hind.